this is your toolkit. Slides in here. Perfect little compartment. To your off-road Maybach. The only one in the world. Just check out the back here with the Maybach lights lit up in the tail lights. Now around here, because it's an off-roader, you've got your roll cage, but it's on the outside of the car. How freaking cool is this? All right, massive tires for off-roading. And it's 6 meters long. Can you see it? Come around here. This car is a collab between Maybach and Virgil Abloh, one of my favorite designers. You've got the pinstripe look here, and then he industrialized it. He whacked some spotlights on here, whacked some spotlights up there with a roll cage. Here, all solar panels along this whole front. Never seen that before. This is just mad. Now, interior time. Gotta show you this. I mean, when have you ever seen a seat like this? I don't, like, what is this? It looks kind of like a suitcase from the outside, but then it's got like sausage rolls on the inside. You've got your pull handle, your eject pull handle to go shooting out the top. Not really, but we can pretend. And then here you've got little drawers. He wanted to combine some classy elements of Maybach, but make it industrial, right? So here, you've got a parking brake that you smash in. Look, it's just so industrial. Check out this screen though. Huge screen that folds away into the front with these buttons. You've got a Maybach axe. When have you ever seen a Maybach logo printed on an axe before? Emergency use only. All right, head around. I've got more to show you. This is your camper van with style. Look, this chair folds into a flat bed, and then here, you pop this open. That's where your head goes, and you've got a light here. The same for this side. And then you've got all your little compartments, Maybach compartments. And if this was off-white, it would say bag written on it. I absolutely love Virgil and his vision. What do you guys think of the design? You got your compass here and your cool steering wheel. Now, let me show you what they've done with this. Over here, this car has come to life in a real Maybach. Look, they've taken the same Colorado beige color, and this, they're only making 150 in the world. It costs twice the price of a normal Maybach. See here, Virgil Abloh. And you've got your plaque here as well. 1 of 150. What do you think?